Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, on this channel we review the best products on Amazon so you don't have to waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Tapo 2K pan/tilt security camera for baby monitor, dog camera with motion detection, two-way audio siren, night vision, cloud and SD card storage, works with Alexa and Google Assistant, 2-pack, Tapo C210P2, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. You know how hard it can be to keep an eye on our little ones when we're not there in person? Whether it's a baby, toddler, or even just a curious pet, parents and caregivers are always looking for ways to stay connected and ensure their safety. That's where the Tapo 2K comes in. This security camera is designed to give you peace of mind, no matter what time of day it is. I was really excited to try out the Tapo 2K because I know how much of a game changer it can be for families with pets or young children. But before we dive into all the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about what makes this camera so special. To me, it's not just about the tech specs, although those are certainly impressive, but about how it can change your life. One of my favorite features of the Tapo 2K is its incredible pan/tilt range. Imagine being able to see every corner of a room, whether you're trying to keep an eye on your little one playing in the living room or making sure your furry friend isn't getting into any trouble. This camera lets you do just that, with a 360 degrees horizontal and 114 degrees vertical field of view. And what really impressed me is how smooth everything runs. Whether you're gaming, editing, or just multitasking, it never feels sluggish. Another feature that really stood out to me was the detection capabilities. The Tapo 2K has built-in motion detection, which means that if there's any movement in the room, you'll get an instant notification on your phone or tablet. This is especially helpful for parents who want to keep a close eye on their little ones without having to be physically present at all times. And with the free baby crying detection feature, you can even set up notifications for when your child starts crying. It's like having an extra pair of ears in the room. But what about night vision? How does this camera handle things when the lights are low? I'm happy to report that the Tapo 2K performs incredibly well in low-light conditions, thanks to its integrated IR system. This means you can see up to 30 feet away without any issues, which is perfect for monitoring your home or keeping an eye on your pets at night. In terms of real-world performance, customers have reported being really happy with the Tapo 2K's ability to stream clear video even when motion detection kicks in. Of course, no camera is perfect, and some users have reported issues with connectivity and audio quality, but overall, it seems like this camera is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable security camera. So is the Tapo 2K worth buying? In my opinion, if you're a parent or caregiver who wants to stay connected and ensure their safety, this camera is definitely worth considering. It's not just about the features, it's about the peace of mind that comes with knowing your little one, or furry friend, is safe and sound. And at an affordable price point, it's hard to go wrong. If you found this review helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. We drop new videos every week covering the best products on Amazon. The link to grab the Tapo 2K pan/tilt security camera for baby monitor, dog camera with motion detection, two-way audio siren, night vision, cloud and SD card storage, works with Alexa and Google Assistant, 2-pack, Tapo C210P2, is right below in the description. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.